recording now. Okay. Right, excuse me, gents.
We're children.
So,
We're
children.
Gents.
What are you then? Monkeys. What have we got in the box? What's going on behind? Should we tell them a secret? What's been happening?
Yeah.
Go on.
Go on, Harry.
You.
Oh, we moved house.
Yeah, we have moved house, so you might realise that in the past there's always been bricks behind me. Now we've got stone. Yeah, because we've moved to the farmhouse.
And scaffolding.
And so the first thing that's happened is we've moved to the farmhouse and got a leak in the roof. So we've got scaffolding up there behind us. So you might see a different change of scene, different bits of housing. But moving on, more important than anything, what have we got here, boys?
YouTube play button. Silver.
Silver. Now let me explain. So I didn't know anything about this until recently, and people started going, "Oh, you're gonna get your silver button." And I know what?
I knew what it was. I knew what it was.
We knew what it was. We've seen the gold one as well.
Gold one. Now,
that's 1 million, I think.
So a silver play button is what YouTube send you when you get 100,000 subscribers, and they send you this little sort of message saying with a code. And they say you've got to put your name right on the thing, because apparently it's engraved. Now the thing is, I put the Funky Farmer, but I just sort of think, what if they spelt it wrong? What other connotations could it be? The Wonky Farmer.
The Willy Farmer.
No. The Willy Farmer. Did you say the Willy Farmer? I'm not a Willy Farmer.
Mr. Willy Wonka Farmer.
The Wonky Farmer.
Maybe.
The Llama Farmer.
Llama Farmer.
Funky Barmer.
Funky Barmer. Barack Obama. So we're hoping that they spelt my name right on this. On the silver play button.
I can't see the sun's literally just.
So first thing is, this has come all the way from America in this big black box, and it come by courier today.
Remember to subscribe.
Yes, as they said, these are my gurus.
Subscribe
Right.
and get 1 million.
And you can hit the little bell.
Obviously, you've got to be very careful with knives, as I like to say, and it's not letting children use them. Ooh. Let me just make sure I cut this open right, because I'm not sure how you're supposed to open it.
Ooh.
Do you think I'm doing this right? I don't want to rip this box, because I'm not like to get another one. Ooh.
Here we go.
Here we go, nearly. Right. Do you think it's going to do Wonky Farmer?
No.
Oh, look, it's on there.
The Camel Farmer.
The Camel Farmer.
Can I do the greetings?
What's the greetings?
Like open it there.
What do you mean, open
Like
it?
open the lid.
No. We'll do it together. Right, all of us, hands on, ready?
2, 1. Shall I read the letter out?
Right, so we've got a letter. Okay, take the black bit off.
What's a letter?
Oh, we got a letter. Oh, let's not look at that. Let's, what does the letter say? Okay, I'm going to read it out. Can you read it out?
I didn't even get to see the thing.
Oh, I've got it. So we've got this letter. Don't open the box.
Like YouTube.
This is never going to happen twice. You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You have had an astonishing 100,000 subscribed to your channel. Thank you.
Remember to still
we know
subscribe.
the numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight and reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged and entertained. Have I done that? What do you reckon?
Yeah.
He says yes, he says no. Okay. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance and probably a healthy sense of humour too. Have we done humour?
No, he hasn't got any.
Yes, we have.
Oh, yes, we have.
We make people laugh, hopefully, because that's what we want to see.
Do we?
What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you. Well, it can if someone deletes my channel. And we'd like to recognise you and all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. Last paragraph, guys. We know that you don't do this for rewards. You do it because you have the drive to create and share. Well, that is true, actually. I do really enjoy it.
It is his hobby.
It's my hobby, and I really enjoy, especially the visits, which I do, like when we went to the Welsh Butcher. And because you found an audience who cares, okay? I hope you care. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. Oh, I'm not sure yet. A million subscribers may seem a long way off right now. It seems unreal. I don't think that I'm going to get there. You're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. Congratulations. Yours sincerely, Suzanne. Oh, this is a tricky one. Wojcik, how do you pronounce that?
Vaughan.
Wojciki. Okay. Have a Wojcikis. CEO of YouTube.
Oh no, I meant that signature.
Good signature, better than mine. I got dirty hands and I'm worried about getting this dirty. Let's put that over there. Right, the big unveil. Right, let's put the knife out of the way. I don't want to get
2. Oh, hold on.
1.
Go!
Oh my god.
Oh, what's the card? We've got more stuff. What's that?
Guys, close it. We don't want.
Congratulations on your subscriber milestone.
Oh.
You have honoured to take part in recognising your achievement and want your experience to be expressed.
Right. I like the way this award is inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Thank you, Rick. Right, let's get it out. We've got more.
Let's do this.
Let's do this. Let's do this.
We got more to get on with.
Another little bit.
Look at the gold
That's
one.
the packaging. What's that one? The gold one. Let's not look at the gold one. We'll never get the gold one.
Yeah, we'll never make it, but there's the silver one there, and then the gold one.
Well,
We've got the
let's
silver
have a
one.
look at the silver one, shall we? Because we are here.
Wow.
Can you see that? They have actually spelt my name right. It is the Funky Farmer.
And then you look at the button at the top as
And the
well.
button. All you guys who press play and watch the videos, thank you very much. 100,000
That helps
The
us
subscribers.
moment he
get
realises drops it. Can I hold it?
And they spelt my name right as well. The Funky Farmer,
That's good.
not the Funky
Now-
Wonker.
What is this?
Right,
Is this the like
that's
a
just
wiper?
packaging. Right, have you got anything more to say, boys? Have you? Before we want
Not really.
Should we just put it back in the box? And
I don't want to drop it.
I don't want to drop it. Where are we going to put
Can I
it?
hold it? I never hold
Are
it.
we going to put it in the bathroom?
No.
Oh, that's very shiny.
It is
Wait,
very
is it
shiny.
pure silver?
Oh yes, absolutely pure silver.
Is it?
Worth millions.
Oh, it's a mirror.
It's a mirror. That is a mirror.
Ooh.
So let's just say thank you to everyone, boys.
Wait,
Because you've
guys,
been
can
watching-
you
some
see
of
your
have
own
been watching
faces
this.
in that?
Fingerprints
Oh,
on the
we've
back.
lost Harry already.
There's fingerprints on the back.
Fingerprints on the back.
It's
Okay,
muddy fingerprints.
I'm trying to wrap this up,
I
but
will
you
not
got
touch it.
right. We'd like to just say, come on, boys, come in close to the camera. We've got to get you guys in because you're a big part of my life.
Move out the way.
Look at the camera.
I'm very shiny.
I got wet hair. I
I
need
do
my wings
apologise
showered.
for the madness of these two, but they do make it fun. Thank you very much for watching the Funky Farmer channel. Thanks for subscribing and liking and commenting.
And ringing the little bell.
Ringing the little bell, as Harry says. Stick with it. Have got some exciting things coming up. But in the meantime, if you're doing a channel, good luck with you, and I hope you get to 100,000 as well. Boom.
Boom, boom, shake the room.
We smashed it, guys. I'm gonna never